Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211, fuse and relay panel description, fuse replacement. Engine compartment fuse box. The fuse box is located in the engine compartment, left side, under the cover. Fuse box diagram. Assignment of the fuses and relay in the engine compartment. Luggage compartment fuse box. Fuse box location. It is located on the left side of the luggage compartment, behind the cover. Fuse box diagram. Assignment of the fuses and relay in the trunk. How to disassemble the trunk panels in and access the battery, fuses and other elements. 1. Open the trunk. 2. Open and remove first lower panel. 3. Remove left and right side covers. 4. Take up second lower panel. 5. Remove crossbar. 6. Remove battery cover. 7. Unscrew the inner 2 screws and remove lower chrome cover. Instrument panel fuse box. Fuse box location. The fuse box is located on the driver's side of the instrument panel, behind the cover. Fuse box diagram. Assignment of the fuses in the instrument panel. Front pre-fuse box. Front pre-fuse box location. Fuses specifications. Rear pre-fuse box. Rear pre-fuse box location. Fuses specifications. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.